So as an extension activity on the book about the mouse and the red ripe strawberry and the big hungry bear, you can maybe make a healthy strawberry and banana shake with your child. Well, it's quite straightforward. You have to just blend all the ingredients together, so you can get your child to help you measure, to help you count, to help you slice your fruits. You can use frozen strawberries. I decided to use fresh strawberries because that will make it easier for your child to help you slice it in smaller bits before it goes into the blender. It's actually a wonderful opportunity for you to talk to your child about what happened in the book, maybe about the emotions that the mouse was feeling when he found out that the big hungry bear is after his strawberry. Was he scared? What do we do when we're scared? What other things make us scared? Also a good opportunity to talk about how nice it was of the mouse to share his strawberry with us. And as you do your cutting, you can maybe talk about cutting things in half to share and make an opportunity to just really communicate with your child. So the ingredients you need for your banana and strawberry shake is 2 cups of strawberries, 1 banana, a half a cup of natural yogurt, a cup of milk, and you can use whatever milk you want to use. I'm going to use coconut milk, and up to you, you can use 2 teaspoons honey to make it a little bit sweeter. Just blend it all together and enjoy.